Hello, hi guys. Can you all see me and hear me now? Now is the lag gone? I hope you can see it now. Yes. Okay. So, yes, welcome to today's class, everybody. So sorry for the delay. As soon as I started the class, as soon as it became live, the electricity went off, and that's why the Wi-Fi got closed. So now it is back. So I'm also back. All right. So welcome everybody to your next chapter, chapter number 3, that is coordinate geometry. All right. So basically, coordinate geometry is a very important chapter because you will be learning about coordinate geometry in class 9th, class 10th, class 11th, as well as class 12th. Okay. And even in future, you are going to apply these concepts in architectural designs, interior designing, or many other type of courses. Right. So this is going to be a very useful chapter for you. So what are we going to learn in this chapter basically? So we will see what is Cartesian system in today's class. In the next class, we will be seeing about plotting of points in the plane. So basically, if you have a point, where does it exist in the 3D environment? Okay, not just in a 2D plane, but on a 3D environment, where does it exist? Those all things we will be learning in this chapter. And then after that, we are having a special one shot. Now, why is this one shot that special? I will tell you. Okay, guys. So welcome everybody. Hi Akshita. Hi Sejil. Hi Arshin. Hi Bang Pink. Hello Tanay. Hi Riom. Hi Shravya. Hi Bhavana. Hi Tanay. Very good Tanay. Hi Adarsh. Hi Swapna. Hi Ranbir. Hi Neetu. Hi Aditi. Hello Sahithi. Good evening, bacho. Good evening and very warm welcome to all of you. All right. So let's begin the class by marking your attendance. तो जल्दी से सारे बच्चों like button को hit करिए और अपना attendance mark करिए so that we can move on and start on. Okay. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because if you don't subscribe, you won't get the daily notifications, right? So do subscribe and do hit the like button. Okay. Hi Samriddhi. Yes, Ranbir. Yes, you are coming after a long time. Yes, Samriddhi. The electricity went off ना जैसे ही मैंने live किया था light चली गई थी. That's why the delay happened. All right, guys. So now since everything is fine, let's begin. Okay, let's start the chapter. Today we are going to learn about what is coordinate geometry, what is the Cartesian plane, and how do we plot points in the Cartesian plane. That's what we are going to learn. All right. Okay, so let's begin the class. My voice is low, then please increase your speaker volume. It might be low, I agree. So try increasing your speaker volume. Yes, this spot is new because I'm not at my home currently. I'm at a different place. That's why. Okay, bachcho. Chalo bhai. So let's begin today's class. Now, we already know how to locate a point on the number line, right? So if I have a point on the Cartesian plane and I want to mark a point A, I will simply mark the point A like this, or I will simply mark the point B like this, right? So we know how to locate the point on the line, right? But if I ask you to plot a point on the plane, that is, if I ask you to plot a point exactly to this much distance, like at the left corner, at the right corner, at the left top, or at the right bottom, something like that. Okay. So if we have to plot a point, we say that maybe the dot is in the lower half of the paper, maybe the dot is near to the left edge of the paper, maybe it is left hand lower corner of the sheet, something like that we will say to fix a point on the plane. Plane matlab the paper, the page that we are having. Got it? Got it? No, Ranbir, we don't need it that much, right? So basically, bachcho, we are here saying that these random descriptions are a bit difficult, है ना? ऐसे randomly describe करना तो थोड़ा सा tough हो जाएगा ना कि यार left corner पे कर दो तो left corner तो कहीं भी हो सकता है, left corner तो ये भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है. So how will I know that the certain point is at this particular position? Well, for that, we need a system of points which is called as Cartesian system. Okay. So we need the measure of two length to find the exact location of a point. We need two independent informations for finding the position of a point. तो इससे हमें क्या पता चला कि अगर मुझे कोई पॉइंट को प्लॉट करना है तो मुझे दो चीजों की जरूरत होगी. And what are those two things? From the left hand side, how far it is. From the bottom, how far is it? Bottom से कितना ऊंचा है, लेफ्ट साइड से कितना दूर है. ये दो लेंथ मुझे बताएंगे कि where is my point exactly. Got it? Okay. Hi Joel. Yes. So what is coordinate geometry? It is basically developed by the French philosopher and mathematician René Descartes. In his honor, the system used for describing the position of a point in a plane surface, and hence it is also known as Cartesian system. So coordinate geometry is all about Cartesian system, which was developed by the French philosopher and mathematician to know the location of a point exactly. कि इस प्लेन पेपर में एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट का एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन क्या है, वो कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री हमें बताएगा. Understood? Now, first of all, we need to understand the term number line. So we know what is number line from class 5 and class 6, right? We have seen number line. Now, what we have always observed that on the number line, the distance between every point is always 1 unit. किसी भी दो पॉइंट के बीच में जो डिस्टेंस होता है वो 1 यूनिट का होता है. अब वो 1 यूनिट 1 सेंटीमीटर हो सकता है, 1 इंटीजर हो सकता है, और होल नंबर का गैप हो सकता है. इट द गैप कैन बी एनीथिंग, any number line, but the gap should be of 1 unit, right? And the basic number line that we have is always the number line of integers. Integers की number line कैसी होती है बच्चों? 0 in the middle, positive on the right hand side, negative on the left hand side. That is the number line of integers, right? Yes. After this, what we did, नंबर लाइन को हमने दो तरीके से बनाया. ठीक है, एक हमने बनाई बच्चों हॉरिजॉन्टल नंबर लाइन. व्हाट इज हॉरिजॉन्टल नंबर लाइन? एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज ए वर्टिकल नंबर लाइन. ठीक है, so the horizontal number line is same as the integer number line, 0 in the middle, positive on the right hand side, negative on the right hand side. और इस horizontal number line का नाम हमने दिया x axis. What do we call it? X axis. The positive x axis, the negative x axis. Yes, Samriddhi, 0 should always be in the middle. Okay. Similarly, we have drawn a vertical axis called as y-axis. The positive x-axis and the negative y-axis. So they are basically x-axis horizontal, y-axis vertical, and together they form the Cartesian plane. मतलब इस सारी बातों का निष्कर्ष क्या निकला कि कोई भी अगर प्लेन सरफेस है, इस प्लेन सरफेस में अगर आपको पॉइंट का लोकेशन बताना है, तो पॉइंट का लोकेशन बताने के लिए 4 डायरेक्शन होते हैं. There are 4 directions to describe the location of a point. What are those 4 directions? Positive x-axis, positive y-axis, negative x-axis, negative y-axis. And in the middle you will have 0, also called as origin. y-axis number negative side भी write कर सकता है. No, आदर्श. Generally horizontal is x-axis, vertical is y-axis. उल्टा नहीं होता. ठीक है. And the 4 directions or the 4 planes are also called as, also known as quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Now what is quadrant 1? Quadrant 1 बनता है positive x-axis and positive y-axis के साथ. Quadrant 2 बनता है negative x-axis, positive y-axis. quadrant 3 बनेगा negative x and negative y, and quadrant 4 is positive x and negative y. So we have basically 4 quadrants जहां पे आप points को plot कर सकते हो with respect to the coordinates axis, that is x axis and y axis. ठीक है. Now, as I told you, what will be the sign of the point in different quadrant? So in the first quadrant, positive, positive, because this is also positive, this is also positive, है ना? Now this is negative, so x negative, y positive, x negative, y negative, and x positive, y negative. Like that, depending on the quadrant, your point will be plotted. मतलब अगर आपको प्लॉट करना है एक पॉइंट -2, 3, in which quadrant will I plot it? -2, 3, in which quadrant will I plot it? Can you tell? Hi Bilal. No, Samriddhi, no, quadrant should not be mentioned, just the plotting should be correct. Second quadrant, very good, Tanay, very good, Samriddhi, absolutely right. Second quadrant will be used because -x plus y. So this is the second quadrant point, right? Now, that was all about quadrant Cartesian system. Now, there is another logic. Basically, when you are plotting a point, ठीक है, so जब भी आप किसी point को plot कर रहे हो, you will have the x value and you will have the y value. Now, what is this x value and y value? So basically, x value and the y value denote the distance from y axis and x axis. That means किसी भी पॉइंट का अगर आपको x वैल्यू दिया है तो x वैल्यू बताता है डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम y axis. So if there is a point A, x comma y, so the x value will tell distance from y axis and the y value will tell distance from x axis. And the distance, the x value is called as abscissa and the y value is called as ordinate. X is called as abscissa, y is called as ordinate. We have already learned about it in class 8. Class 8 में हम पहले ही पढ़ चुके हैं इस concept को, right? So keep in mind that the plane will consist of two axes and the quadrant will be called as Cartesian plane and coordinate plane or xy plane. The axes are called as coordinate axis. The x coordinate of a point is the perpendicular distance from y axis and the y coordinate of a point is the distance from x axis called as ordinate. The coordinates of a point in the coordinate plane will be denoted by the x coordinate and y coordinate accordingly. मतलब जब भी हम किसी point को plot कर रहे हैं, for example -2, 3, what is this denoting? This is denoting basically the abscissa and the ordinate value. Abscissa value बताता है distance from y axis and ordinate value बताता है distance from x axis. उल्टा होता है ना? x वैल्यू जो है वो y का डिस्टेंस बताता है, y वैल्यू जो है वो x का डिस्टेंस बताता है. Understood everybody? What is abscissa? What is ordinate? Right? So suppose we have this Cartesian system. Suppose we have 4 points M, B, S, L. So अगर आपको coordinates बताने हैं, what are the coordinates of B? Point B के coordinates क्या है? So point B will have the x value as the distance from y axis, that is 4. What is the distance from x axis? 3. So the coordinates of point B will be 4, 3. ठीक है? y +4 and +3. +4 +3 क्यों होगा? क्योंकि वो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में है तो पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव होगा, है ना? Yes. Now for point M, what we will have? Point M means negative and positive. So it will be -3 comma +4. So -3 on the x-axis and 4 on the y-axis. Got it? Yes. Similarly for point L will be negative negative क्योंकि third quadrant है ना? So negative negative will be what? Basically, point L will be, tell me, what is the value of point L on the x-axis? Yes, -5, -4. Very good. Lastly, point S का कितना होगा? What will be point S? Correct. So point S will be 3, -4. 3, -4. ठीक है? So this is point S. Correct. Yes, very good. So these are the coordinates of the particular points and you can fill in the blanks for the solutions, right? कोई बात नहीं समृद्धि, कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है आरुषि, बताओ बेटा कहाँ कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है? आई विल डेफिनेटली क्लियर योर कंफ्यूजन. कौन से पॉइंट का नहीं समझ में आया? कौन से पॉइंट का नहीं समझ में आया? It's very simple. Just observe the x coordinate and the y coordinate. Okay? With my sister's son, I was talking to my sister's son. He's just 1 year old. And actually, I'm at my sister's house. So he really wants to join in the class. But of course, he can't join in. वो laptop उठा के फेंक देगा. ओके मैम एल पॉइंट में -5 फर्स्ट क्यों है, 4 बाद में क्यों है? सिंपल. हमेशा आरुषि बेटा हम x को पहले लिखते हैं, y को बाद में लिखते हैं. ठीक है, तो देखो x का वैल्यू क्या है? 5 और y का वैल्यू क्या है? 4. तो हम हमेशा पहले x लिखेंगे फिर y लिखेंगे, इसलिए पहले -5 फिर -4. गॉट इट? All right, let's do one more question. Find the values of x and y if the two ordered pair x minus 3 minus 6 and 4 comma x plus y are equal. अब ordered pair का मतलब क्या होता है? Ordered pair basically means it is giving you coordinates of two different points. ठीक है? But they are telling that the coordinates are same. Coordinates are same. मतलब x minus 3 comma minus 6 is equal to 4 comma x plus y. तो जब भी आपको बोले कि ऑर्डिनेट्स आर इक्वल या फिर कोऑर्डिनेट्स आर सेम, दैट मीन्स द x वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू x वैल्यू एंड द y वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू y वैल्यू. ठीक है, x value is equal to x value, y value is equal to y value. Okay Ranbir, I will show that. No, my elder sister, not my younger sister. So it will be x minus 3 is equal to 4 and x plus y is equal to -6. ठीक है, समझ में आया? Abscissa will be equal to abscissa. Ordinate will be equal to ordinate. ठीक है, this implies that x will be equal to 7 है ना, 4 plus 3 7. अब 7 का वैल्यू यहाँ पुट कर दो. So 7 plus y is -6. So y will be -6 minus 7 is equal to how much? -13. Very good Samriddhi. Only Samriddhi has got correct answer. Very nice. So what is x? X is coming out to be 7. What is y? Y is coming out to be 13. Sorry, -13. So that is how we are going to find out the value of x and y or any unknown numbers whenever the volume. अच्छा नहीं समझ में आया? चलो दोबारा समझाते हैं. Let me explain you once again. So basically बच्चों, the pair are equal. Pair equal होने का मतलब क्या होता है? Abscissa will be equal to abscissa. ठीक है, abscissa will be equal to abscissa. So x minus 3 will be equal to 4. यहाँ तक सबको clear है what we are doing? This is the abscissa x minus 3. This is the abscissa 4. X minus 3 is equal to 4. है ना? So x will be equal to 4 plus 3. What is 4 plus 3? 7. I am explaining it again, Dikshita. I am explaining it again. So x minus 3 is basically 4. Abscissa is equal to abscissa. So x value is coming out to be 7. Now next is ordinate is equal to ordinate. Ordinate is equal to ordinate. So minus 6 is equal to x plus y. So minus 6 is equal to 7 plus y. Now minus 6 minus 7 is equal to y. So what is minus 6 minus 7? Minus 13 is equal to y. Now everybody understood? ओके समृद्धि अनइक्वल है तो कर नहीं पाएंगे ना ऑफ कोर्स राविया ऑफ कोर्स अगर अनइक्वल दिया है तो हाउ विल यू सॉल्व इट ऑफ कोर्स you have it they have to be equal na then only you can equate why samriddhi now everybody understood all right so if you have understood then let's do a week quiz to see whether you can apply these concepts correctly or not okay. So come on everyone, let's join the week quiz. We have a live week quiz to be conducted right now. Let me see whether you guys are able to understand what is abscissa, what is ordinate and how to plot a point. The code for the week quiz is 225446. You can also join the week quiz with the link given in the description. Okay? So this is the video we are watching right now. In the description of this video, this is the link given for the week quiz. Let's start the week quiz. You all can join the week quiz from the link given in description. Otherwise, you can also put this code. So you can also put this code 225446. Now where to put the code? Code कहाँ put करना है आपको? So everybody you can go to www.wequiz.in www.wequiz.in and enter the code 225446. Okay. Yes, I am waiting. I am waiting. Please join. Please join. Okay, Dikshit, I hope you have understood it now. Come on, everyone, join the week quiz. Very less of you have joined it yet. I am waiting. Of course, I am waiting, but please join it fast. Now, so you guys should be like pro in joining the week quizzes, na? We have attended it so many times. Okay. Yeah, now I can see more of you. Join Janani, refresh your screen or do one thing, just open Google Chrome, go to incognito tab. There you type www.wequiz.in and then enter this code 225446. All right. Okay, I guess everybody has joined. Should I start now? I'll start now. Okay, starting. Okay. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Question number 1 on your screen. If the coordinates of a point are a comma minus 1 upon b, then it lies in which quadrant? Very simple. Just observe the sign of the abscissa and the ordinate. Just observe the sign. Just observe the sign. Simple question, right? Positive x-axis, negative y-axis. Oh my god, still the confusion is there. Positive x, negative y. Positive x is on the right hand side. Negative y is on the bottom. So this is the fourth quadrant, not the second quadrant. Second quadrant में उल्टा sign होगा ना, negative x, positive y. उल्टा समझ लिया. It will be fourth quadrant. Try to remember. Okay, so only Mon, Shravya, Tanay and Arshin could give it right. My god, bacho. What is this? That was an easy question. Only the sign had to be kept in mind. Chalo, next question. If x coordinate of a point is 0, then the point lies on dash axis. You yourself think. If the x coordinate is 0, then the distance from y-axis is 0. That means where should be the point? Try to apply this logic. And don't look at the chat box. People will confuse you. Very good. Now this is a good performance. Yes. Mon, Tanay, Shravya, Arshin, Nandini, Swati, Adarsh, Dikshit, Jia, and Dikshita. Very good. Next question. Abscissa of all the points which are on the x-axis can be dash. Abscissa means the x value. X value for a point on the x-axis. That means the question is somewhat like this. This is the x-axis, है ना? And there is a point on the x-axis. So what will be the abscissa of this point? Will it be 0? Will it be positive? Will it be negative? What kind of number will it be? Very good, very good. It can be any number. Yeah, very nice. Absolutely right, because the number can have any x value from 0 till infinity, 0 till minus infinity. Any x value is possible. Very good. कोई बात नहीं श्राव्या. Tanay, Mon, Arshin, Swati, Adarsh, Nandini, Dikshit, Shravya, Jia, and Dikshita. The leaderboard is still the same. So come on, everyone, keep trying. Next question. Which of the following points lies on the negative side of the x-axis? Negative side of the x-axis. Pretty simple question. Very easy question. Each and every one of you should give it right, actually. Very, very easy question. Yes, only two students. Why did you guys give it wrong? Obviously, option C is the right answer because negative x-axis means the abscissa is negative. So simple. We don't even need to apply any logic behind it. Tana, you are doing awesome. Then Mon is also doing great. Swati once again doing good. Then we have Nandini, Adarsh, Jia, Shravya, Arshin, Dikshit, and Ashani doing very well. Good going, guys. Now, last question. The point which lies on the y-axis at a distance of 8 unit in the negative direction of y-axis is dash. Oh, that's very sad, Shravya. The point which lies on the y-axis at a distance of 8 unit in the negative direction of the y-axis. Now, this question was a bit tricky question. The first part of the question is द पॉइंट विच लाइज ऑन द वाई एक्सिस, जब भी कोई पॉइंट वाई एक्सिस के ऊपर लाई करता है, द एक्स वैल्यू इज 0, so x will be 0, and whenever it is in the negative direction of y, then obviously it will be -8, not +8, so it will be 0 comma -8 because the x value will be 0. All right, so we have the final winner. Oh, and the last question made Mon as the winner. Congratulations, Mon. Very good, Tanay and Nandini. Well done. So that was the leaderboard for today's class. So Mon, Tanay, and Nandini get the star badges. Oops, I didn't bring the star badges. Wait, I will bring. I will bring. Give me a minute. Just give me 1 minute. I'll bring your star badges. Okay. So yes. Huh. So we have the winner. So superstar of the day is Mon. Let me change the color of the pen. So Mon will get the superstar of the day. Wise owl of the day is Tanmay. Very good, Tanmay. And lastly, we have who? Nandini. Okay. And the third one is Nandini. Congratulations to the winners. Congratulations. Very good, bacho. All right, guys. So this is your homework for today. So today I am giving you three big homework questions. So please solve these homework questions. There is one more thing I want to tell you all. So please listen very very carefully. ठीक है? एक चीज जो मैं आप सभी को बताना चाहती हूँ, पहले मैं हिंदी में बता देती हूँ, फिर मैं इंग्लिश में भी बता दूंगी. तो बच्चों, कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री का जो अगला लेक्चर होने वाला है, ठीक है, दैट इज लेक्चर नंबर 2. लेक्चर नंबर 2 में मैं एक वीक क्विज लूंगी. ठीक है? उस वीक क्विज में I am going to select the students, the top 3 students will be selected for एक दिन का टीचर. ओके, तो क्या होने वाला है, बेसिकली हम एक जूम कॉल करने वाले हैं ऑन द यूट्यूब प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर you will be basically teaching this particular chapter as a one shot video. और कौन बच्चा सेलेक्ट होगा पढ़ाने के लिए, कौन बनेगा एक दिन का टीचर, उसके लिए आपको लेक्चर नंबर 2 के वीक क्विज में पार्टिसिपेट करना होगा और जो टॉप 3 स्टूडेंट्स होंगे उनको ये चांस दिया जाएगा. ऑल राइट किड्स, किसकी स्पेलिंग गलत हो गई भाई? तन्मय, तन, अच्छा तनय. ओ सो सॉरी, माय बैड. यस तनय, wrote your spelling once again. Okay, so if you want to be ek din ka teacher, if you want to teach along with me on this channel live via the Zoom platform, then you have to participate in the next lecture week quiz. And if you come in top 3 position, then you are definitely going to be ek din ka teacher. All right, bachcho. Okay, so yes, that was all for today's class. And so sorry, Tanay. Yeah, now your spelling is correct back. So sorry for that. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for joining today's session. If you want to attend Vedantu's online live classes, you can also join in Vedantu's pro courses where you will get online classes by the master teachers with doubt solving sessions, with regular test series, assignments, and notes at a very, very minimal price. So you can enroll this course via the link given in the description and choose the course of your choice with my coupon code SKEPRO. All right. So thank you so much everyone. See you all in the next class. और भूलना मत, नेक्स्ट क्लास बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि नेक्स्ट क्लास के वीक क्विज में एक दिन का टीचर के फाइनल विनर्स को सेलेक्ट किया जाएगा. ओके, so bye guys. Ta-da!